What if I told you there's a smartwatch that doesn't just track your workouts, but feels like it's built to outlast you in every adventure? The Garmin Fenix 8 is here, and it's not just another upgrade. This is a device that takes everything we loved about the Fenix series and pushes it to the next level. Whether you're into running, hiking, swimming, cycling, or just pushing yourself in daily training, this watch promises to keep up. The question is, does it really deliver, and is it worth the price? Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if the Fenix 8 is the ultimate fitness and adventure watch for you. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the latest gadgets in simple words and share what really matters. Today, we are diving into the Garmin Fenix 8, a watch built for athletes, adventurers, and anyone who wants a powerful tool on their wrist. The first thing I want to talk about is the experience of using this watch in training. Garmin has always been strong in tracking accuracy, and the Fenix 8 pushes it further. Running with this watch feels different because it locks onto GPS quickly and doesn't drift. Even in tricky environments like forests or city streets with tall buildings, heart rate tracking is sharper, and during interval runs or sprints, the watch keeps up without the lag you sometimes find in older models. The training readiness feature also stands out. It doesn't just show you data. It guides you on whether your body is ready for another tough workout or if it's better to rest. For endurance sports, this watch feels like a game changer. If you're a marathon runner, the Stamina Insights feature is something you'll love. It shows you in real time how much energy you're burning and how much you're likely to have left before you hit the wall. Cyclists will notice smoother power data syncing with external sensors, and swimmers will appreciate improved tracking in open water. For hikers and adventurers, the multi-band GPS and better topo maps mean you're never really lost. It feels like carrying a powerful navigation device on your wrist. In everyday use, the Fenix 8 also performs beautifully. It's fast, responsive, and doesn't feel sluggish when switching screens or loading features. Garmin has tuned the interface to be smoother, and while it's not flashy like some smartwatches, it feels reliable and clear. Notifications come through without delay, syncing with your phone works as expected, and even music playback through. Bluetooth headphones feel stable. The design shows a perfect balance of rugged and premium. The Fenix 8 looks tough, but doesn't feel overly bulky. You can wear it on the trail or in the office, and it fits both situations. The titanium and steel versions give you durability, while the lighter options make it easier for long wear. The buttons are tactile, and the new touchscreen option makes navigating menus faster, though you can still stick with buttons if you prefer. The display is bright and clear, even under direct sunlight. Garmin uses a transflective display that shines when outdoors, making it perfect for athletes training outside. Indoors, the backlight is strong enough to see easily. It doesn't look as vibrant as AMOLED displays on other watches, but the trade-off. Here is battery life. And the Fenix 8 lasts far longer than AMOLED-based competitors. Speaking of battery life, this is one of the strongest points of the Fenix 8. With regular use, you can expect up to 2 weeks, even with GPS tracking during workouts. Switch to battery saver modes and it stretches into weeks. For multi-day hikes or long expeditions, this watch is reliable. The solar charging option gives you even more time outdoors, topping up the battery under sunlight, which feels perfect. For adventurers who don't want to carry a charger everywhere, the software is packed with features. From advanced workout metrics, recovery suggestions, sleep tracking, heart rate variability, VO2 max, and even body battery tracking, it feels like the watch knows what your body is doing at every stage of the day. It also now integrates better with third-party apps. Syncing with Garmin Connect gives you a detailed breakdown of every stat you could imagine. Another strong point is the smart features. While it's not a replacement for a smartwatch like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch, it does give you essentials like notifications, quick replies, calendar, and contactless payments with Garmin Pay. Music storage is available, and you can sync playlists from Spotify or other services to listen offline. When it comes to durability, the Fenix 8 feels almost indestructible. It's water-resistant, shock-resistant, and built to military standards. You can dive, climb, swim, or run in extreme conditions, and this watch just keeps going. It's clearly designed for people who push limits. Audio features are basic, but work fine. You can pair Bluetooth headphones for music or podcast playback directly from the watch. It's not made for calls, but it handles audio syncing for workouts smoothly. Connectivity is solid. Pairs with Ant Plus sensors, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi for syncing data. Everything connects quickly and stays connected without random drops. Whether it's pairing with a chest strap, a cycling power meter, or your phone, just works. Now let's talk about price and value. The Garmin Fenix 8 is not cheap. It sits at the premium end of smartwatches. But what you're paying for is unmatched durability, insane battery life, and performance tracking that is best in class. If you're a casual user who just wants notifications and step counts, this isn't the right watch. But if you're serious about fitness, endurance sports, or outdoor adventures, the Fenix 8 gives you tools that other watches can't match. The pros are clear. Incredible durability, outstanding battery life, accurate GPS and heart rate tracking. Detailed training insights and solar charging options make it a beast for athletes and adventurers. The cons are also there. It's expensive, a bit bulkier than sleek smartwatches, and doesn't offer as many smart features as something like the Apple Watch. So what's the verdict? The Garmin Fenix 8 isn't a watch for everyone. But for people who live for the outdoors, who train seriously, who want a reliable tool that can last through tough conditions, this is one of the best choices you can make. It's more than just a smartwatch. It's a partner built to last and built to perform. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we break down tech in simple words and give you the truth about what's worth your money. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real reviews.